Namaste from Japlang Language Services. We welcome you back again to our YouTube channel. Today we will be learning about the weekdays. Yes, weekdays, I said correct. That's a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. How do you say in Japanese language, right? So we will be learning it today. So I'll just one request is there to you is please watch this video till end. Something new you will be learning. Well, let's start. My name is Santosh Kumar and I'm part of Japlang Language Services. Here we go. Let's start with days, right? We have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So day is common in every day, right? So let's learn day. How do you say day in Japanese? Day is called yobi, yobi, yobi. And Monday, yeah, so Monday basically, Monday will be gets and day is yobi, so it will be Monday. Monday will be getsuyobi, getsuyobi. Just to relate with this, to remember this Monday, we have just made a small clip. Please watch this video.
Oh no, today is Monday. I need to get up early in the morning to go to the office. Gets up, getsuyobi.
The next is Tuesday. Tuesday in Japanese is ka, and day was yobi, right? So Tuesday will be ka yobi, right? So Tuesday in all together it will be ka yobi. Just look at this video clip so that you can remember.
Tuesday, I need to clean my car. Car is kayobi, kayobi. Tuesday, kayobi.
Wednesday, Wednesday. So Wednesday in Japanese it is called sui, sui. And what is day? Day is yobi. So all together it will be sui yobi, sui yobi. So just relate this sui yobi with this video.
On every Wednesday, I go for swimming. Sui, sui yobi.
Let's learn how we say Thursday in Japanese language. Thursday in Japanese we say moku, moku, and day is yobi. So it will be moku yobi, moku yobi. Please watch this video clip.
Thursday, I have mock test exam. So moku, moku is Thursday. Moku yobi, moku yobi is Thursday.
Next is Friday, Friday, right? So Friday in Japanese we say kin and day is yobi. So in altogether it will be kin yobi. So well we can relate with a bird, kingfisher bird, or you can relate with a beverage brand in India that's very famous. That's we generally just to relax we drink beer. So kingfisher is well known brand in India. So on weekend, that's on Friday, we drink lots of beer. Kingfisher, kin is Friday. To next is Saturday. Saturday we have do and day is yobi. So it will be do yobi, do yobi. Please watch this video.
Today is Saturday and on Saturday I need to repair my door. So do yobi is Saturday.
And the last is Sunday. Sunday. Sun is Nichi and day is yobi. So it will be Nichi yobi. Nichi yobi. You can remember Nichi word. This is a word in Japanese. It means sun. So Nichi is sun and yobi is day. It will be sun day altogether. It will be Nichi yobi, sun day. Let's revise from the Monday again. Monday is getsu yobi, ka yobi, sui yobi, moku yobi, kin yobi, do yobi, and last is Sunday is Nichi yobi. Well, it was all about the weekdays. Now how to say what is the day today, what is the day tomorrow. Let's learn today, tomorrow, yesterday, etc. First of all we'll learn that and then we'll learn how to ask question. So day for yesterday in Japanese we say ototoi, ototoi. Yesterday it is kino, kino. today is kyo. Kyo. Tomorrow is ashita. Ashita. And day after tomorrow is asatte. 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 Now let's ask, if you want to ask, what is the day today? What is the day? What is the day today, right? So the format, the grammar pattern we know, right? So we use wa particle after any noun or after any subject. The subject is today, right? So today, so what is today in Japanese? That's kyo. And which particle will be coming? It will be kyo wa. Kyo wa. Nan. Nan is what? Yobi is day. Des is. Ka is a question mark. So what is the day today? It will be kyo wa nan yobi desu ka? Kyo wa nan yobi desu ka? How to answer this? Yes, we can say instead of nan, we just replace nan and then we say the day, particular day. We have remember, right? On Monday, Tuesday, how we say that? We can just replace that particular day in place of nan. So if it is today, if say for example today is Sunday, so we can say kyo wa nichiyobi desu. Kyo wa nichiyobi desu. Now how to ask what is a day tomorrow? We can ask ashita wa nan yobi desu ka? Ashita wa nan yobi desu ka? Right? If it is Sunday today, tomorrow it will be Monday, right? So we can say ashita wa getsu yobi desu. Asta wa getsu yobi desu. Well, how to ask what was the date yesterday? Yesterday, right? So what is des? Des is. The past form of des will be deshita. Yes, deshita, it means was. So if you have to ask what was the date, what was the day yesterday, it will be kino. Kino is yesterday. Kino and subject particle will be kino wa nan yobi deshita. It's not des, it is deshita. Kino wa nan yobi deshita ka? Answer would be, if it is Sunday, we are regarding today as Sunday, then it will be kino wa doyobi deshita. Kino wa doyobi deshita. All for watching this video till end. Stay at home, be safe and take care of your family. Jai Hind.